We'll handle this.
We'll take the long way.
Darth Maul was the first apprentice of the Dark Lord of the Sith, Darth Sidious. Although very powerful, Maul was cut in half by Jedi Padawan Obi-Wan Kenobi on Naboo. But he did not die. After a decade, his brother, Savage Opress, found him from an outer rim planet, Lotho Minor. After getting new cybernetic legs, Maul started to wreak havoc among the galaxy. Maul was an amazing duelist and a gifted Force user. But there was one Force ability that we haven't seen him using: the Force Lightning. So, this begs the question: can Darth Maul use Force Lightning? First, we need to examine what it takes to use Force Lightning. In the past, only dark side users have managed to use this ability. Force Lightning has been used by individuals like Darth Sidious and Count Dooku. And in a non-canon novel Star Wars, Darth Sidious's master Darth Plagueis said,
"In order to summon and use lightning properly, you will someday have to be on the receiving end of its power, as a means of taking the energy inside yourself."
Well, Maul is incredibly powerful dark side user who has been seen using Force abilities like Force Choke. And he has been in the receiving end of Force Lightning. So it's likely that Darth Maul is capable of summoning Force Lightning. But he chooses not to use this power. Perhaps because it doesn't fit his fighting style, or maybe he wants to focus defeating the opponent with his lightsaber. So, in summary, Darth Maul can probably use Force Lightning, but chooses not to do so. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and a comment so I know to make more of these Star Wars videos.
Don't be so certain.